Hey, what's up, guys? So today we are setting some fixtures over at a tea shop that I started probably about 3 months ago. I came out, dug everything out, put plastic in the ground, set the grease trap, set the sample well, got all the underground inspections, came back about a month later, did all the top out plumbing, got all those inspections, and now I'm back setting fixtures, trying to get everything finished up. So this tea shop only has one bathroom. It's a unisex employee restroom that's in the back. It has one 3-comp sink in the kitchen, a prep sink, and a bunch of floor drains, pretty much. There's not a lot in here. We do have a mop sink in the back, a little water filtration system that another contractor will be installing. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully you enjoy the video. If you do, please feel free to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.